Are you ready to say goodbye to stubborn back pain? What you really need is a good heating pad. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found so much relief in this heating pad from GENIANI. It's washable, easy to use, and big enough to drape over my shoulders. You can easily choose from 3 different settings, high, medium, or low, and the big buttons and easy-to-read front face makes this a perfect gift for your beloved senior. I also love that it has a super long cord, so you have lots of mobility when it's plugged in. The material is super soft on both sides, and this company offers different colors, sizes, and styles for you to choose the perfect one for your needs. I love to snuggle up with this on a cold night after a long day of work and read a good book. It dulls my back pain and calms me down for a good night's rest. And to clean it, you simply remove the cord and throw it in the washing machine and hang it up to dry. So if you're in the market for a soft and comfortable heating pad or looking for a perfect gift for Nana, then I highly recommend this heating pad from GENIANI. And that's my point of view.